Presenting what? A grown man playing with some butterflies in a box, I presume.
Hey, there's nothing wrong with a grown man playing with butterflies. It's for a good cause.
Sorry. Geez, I forget who I am dealing with at times.
Well, I guess since you're being so nice today, why don't you tell him exactly what I'm doing?
Sure, I can handle that. What are you doing again?
Well, obviously, I'm a grown man playing with butterflies. I mean, I'm sure everybody else could see that.
You really aren't going to let this go, are you?
Well, I definitely could, but what's the fun in that? Wait. I was kidding. You can come back. And you know what? I'm gonna tell him what I'm doing here. You know, you can just sit there, hang out for a little while. So someone asked me to something. Someone asked me to display these butterfly jewelry pieces in resin, which, after a calm deliberation with myself, I decided not to ruin them and instead put them in a shadow box where, if you ever wanted to use the jewelry again, you could. Resin, it would have been impossible. And that's what I'm doing.
So basically a grown man playing with butterflies, like I said earlier.
Yeah, you're right. And you know what? Playing with butterflies like this kind of maker project, to me, lets you just kind of actually paint with your hands, because you're not worried about, is the cut right? Are the settings right? Is the software glitching? Any of that. You get to actually be in the moment and make something. So yeah, I played with butterflies.
Most people think creating is about precision, measurements, settings, clean lines. But there's another side to it. The side no machine can calculate. The moment the tools stop demanding perfection and start allowing feeling instead. That's why this mattered. No alignment grids, no power settings, no test cuts stacked in the corner like failed equations. Just hands, paint, instinct. And maybe that's what a lot of makers forget after a while. We didn't start building things because we wanted to become machines ourselves. We started because creating gave shape to something we couldn't explain any other way. Sometimes the mind needs structure. Other times, it just needs somewhere to breathe. And for a little while, this wasn't about optimization or fixing mistakes. It was about letting the work be imperfect enough to still feel human. Because not every project needs to prove something. Some projects just remind you why you loved making things in the first place.